Well, I got her running. That's the Wind 2350W. Pretty quiet. I got it on the eco mode, but if you turn it on, it goes up higher. You put that on there, it goes down a little bit more quieter. And it hasn't ran all winter. Pretty much died at the beginning of winter, and I finally took care of it, and so I'm just going to let it run for a while so it can you know, start running smooth. So I hope you enjoyed it. But it's a great probably I changed the oil on it also, and also changed the air filter, and I cleaned out the back of that there. Probably can't see it, but probably needs a better job at that. I'll get around to that another time. But anyways, I'm just glad I got the thing running just in time for the air conditioner.